Christian here, Pro3 Properties, full-time real estate investor with another episode. And today I am reporting from Grimsby, Ontario, and we proudly finished another project today. And what I'm about to show you is a short-term rental. This is a suite in Grimsby that we are renting out on a short-term basis. So that would include Airbnb, VRBO, some other ads that you can run on different platforms, but primarily Airbnb and VRBO. And yeah, we just completed it. We had an Airbnb photographer in here. Since we have superhost status, we were able to get have access to the photography package through Airbnb Superhost program. And yeah, so as you can see, this is the kitchen. Everything is we stocked everything. Everything is completely prepared for the first check-in, which is basically happening in an hour and a half. Here's a little K-cup tower. So yeah, this is our first booking. Here you can see the staircase, back entrance, through the backyard. There's a large shed here. Just installed the handrail yesterday. Okay, I'm not going to show you every single kitchen cabinet, but everything is very well equipped, very well stocked. It's super important. Here's a little gift, welcome gift for our first guest. Plus, it's Christmas very soon. Christmas is around the corner. Okay, so here's the washroom. So we did do a few renos here, nothing too crazy. Most of the renos are upstairs in the upper unit. Here's the bathroom. Oh, sorry, the bedroom. And then over here you have a walk-in closet. Which is a great feature to have in any property, really, but especially in a short-term rental situation like this one. I'm gonna close that. So as far as decoration, we've stuck with the we've stuck with a more minimalist approach. This is a joint venture, so there's my partner and I, we had to make a million mini decisions, and we've decided to kind of stick to the basics, but I do agree with him. I think in this case it makes a lot of sense. So here you have open concept living dining, smart TV, which is huge, very important, and then here we have an office. So we're basically trying to attract a very specific niche market, which is the business traveler or the single professional, working from home, coming from overseas, or just trying to get away for a little bit, maybe lives in the city. But here you have the ability to work remotely. You have your little office. You can close the door behind you. We have super fast Wi-Fi, and then here you have the hydro panel. This has all been done recently. We just had to do a lot of work to the electrical setup. Okay, so that's our little office. There is a closet in here. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's almost a walk-in closet, you could say. You can walk in. So this short-term rental, it sleeps 2 guests. So we're specifically trying to, like I mentioned, we're targeting a very specific market here. But we have all the amenities. We have, as you can see, the kitchen with the dishwasher, stainless steel appliances, built-in microwave. Here we have laundry, washer and dryer, tankless water heater. The furnace is pretty new as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys have any questions, or if you have your own short-term rental, if you've set one up, if you had any challenges or any tips and tricks for us. This is now our 3rd listing. So we've processed a bunch, I would say probably 400 or 500 bookings in the past few years. So we do have some experience, and we do take this seriously. We have a lot of detail-oriented discussions. Anyway, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave some comments. Thank you for watching. Peace.